Hey guys, and welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be making an app that converts some letters into symbols. For example, this is how you write hysterical. HY $ plus ER exclamation mark C arthrit and L. And the word kind of looks like hysterical, like in normal letters. That's why we're converting the letters into symbols. And if you look up like into the YouTube thing, I named the video "Never Ever Forget Your Password Ever Again." You might be thinking why? It's because if substitute the letters with symbols, then it gets stuck in your head and you'll never ever forget it ever again. And believe me, I have tried. And you don't have to go into the long and hard process of making a new password every time you forget one. I mean, I just hate that part. Anyways, the code blocks we're going to be using is replace blocks, a new block, and I'm going to be talking about that further in the video, and some more. So this is what to expect. Ashu out.
Hey guys, and now let's start our symbol project. So I put never forget password because if you replace all of the letters in which I'm gonna pull up like a little note in which you can see like what letters to replace with what symbols. If you like replace the letters with the symbols, then like the password that you're gonna do is gonna get stuck in your head. This is what I mean. Let's zoom in a little bit. And yeah, look. A equals arthrit, S and S equals dollar symbol, T equals plus, O and O equals 0, I equals exclamation mark, and this is what hysterical would look like. HYSTERICAL, HY $ plus ER exclamation mark C arthrit L. I've seen some people who do capital I to be 1. I mean, you can put that for good measure and you can do even other symbols too, but I'm just doing this much. And yeah, this is my little reference for the day. And yes, now let's do our design components first. We need a column with a text input, label, and button. It's like really easy to code but useful app. So let's go into column and let's do horizontal alignment. What? What? No. Vertical alignment, space around, and yes. Now I just want to do a background color because I don't want everything just plain white. Yeah, I'm gonna do black, and the color should be white, and the text over here should be actually nothing. We want the font size to be 30 because whenever we're gonna put something over here, it's gonna let me bring it up again. So it's gonna get if we put hysterical in this type space, if we put hysterical over here, then it's gonna convert it over here. I don't think I can even. Oh, there's the dot. Yeah. And let's do the color to be white. Type you're going to be password here. Font seems too big. Let's just do the width 100%. Actually, 110. Yeah, 110 seems good. Yeah, but since like that the font is like black, I'm just gonna change it into gray, and now it seems a little bit more tolerable. Tolerable. Hard word. And let's do this to change, and yeah. And now let's do our blocks. Let's declare a variable. You can put it as anything. I'm just gonna name it name. Something. Yes, something. Because we won't be really neat. We won't be really like posting it onto text. So we don't have to worry about that. It's just a variable. Like I already said a lot of times. And let's just do it as nothing. But whenever the button is pressed, then this is what we're going to do. We're going to set the variable. We're going to set app something to get text of the text input. Now you might be thinking, how do we like replace all these letters with that? We just have to go into text, and we do this one. Text ABC, replace all A with B. But we don't be like ABC, replace all A with B. So let's just do it. So what we do is we go into app something. Yeah, app something. And we do in text app something, replace all. We use this A with that, yeah. But we didn't put it anywhere. We just do it to app something. That app something to, we have to do the same thing in text app something, and we pull this up again. S is S with, and let's just keep on repeating. Time is bigger S. Now what else do we have? T with plus. T with plus. Then O and O for 0. O for 0. O for 0. Over here. 0. And where's the last one? Yes. I is for exclamation. I for exclamation. And yeah, now let us deal with the label. From label, set text to app something. Now let's see if it works. Oh, I get it now. Now it'll work. Yeah, because I was put. Now have fun enjoying your never forget a password app. Hysterical goes like this, and there's so many even more words. Like train goes like that. But if we do the first letter as T, then we can change it even more to the train. And yeah, this is our never forget a password project. So see you guys in the next video.